Everyone. A year of discovery, a journey of growth, with minds afire and hearts aglow. Our students embarked on a path to know through lessons learned and experience gained, their potential unfolded like petals unstained. Honorable guests, respected parents, teachers, and students, I am privileged to stand before you today to present the annual report of Vidyaniketan Academy Srirampur for the year 2024. As we gather to celebrate our achievements and milestones, I am filled with pride and gratitude for the tireless efforts of our students, teachers, and staff. I would like to take a moment to remember the wise mission given by the freedom fighter, educationalist, and the visionary person, Advocate Rao Sahib Shinde sir, that is nothing but education for nation building. We are grateful for the guidance and support of our esteemed management committee, who have played a pivotal role in shaping the vision and direction of Vidyaniketan Academy. We would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank each of them for their tireless efforts and dedication. Respected Bala Sahib, Bhau Sahib Thorat sir, our beloved Mummy Shashikala Tai Shinde ma'am, Chairman of Vidyaniketan Group of Schools, respected T. Shaike sir, whose visionary leadership has been instrumental in driving our academy's growth and success. Vice Chairperson, Honorable Dr. Prerna Shinde ma'am, who has provided invaluable guidance and support in steering our academic's strategic initiatives. Treasurer, Dr. Rajiv Shinde sir, whose expertise has helped us navigate challenges and ensure fiscal responsibility. All the respected management committee members whose passion for education has driven our curriculum development and innovation. Our students, starting with the board exam results, our students excelled in various subjects, achieving outstanding results in CBSE Board Exam 23-24. Out of 43 students who appeared for the examination, Master Advait Sanjay Sheke secured first rank with an impressive 94.8% aggregate. We are proud that one of our students, Miss Tanvi Kangle, achieved a remarkable feat by scoring 100 out of 100 marks in Marathi subset, securing first rank in Maharashtra state. Moving on to curricular highlights. In classrooms vibrant where acknowledged reigns and beyond where passion and interest sustain. Our young achievers explore, created and thrive, leaving an indelible mark as their spirits survive. Let us revisit the milestone of this remarkable year and celebrate the accomplishment that bring us cheer. On 20th April 24, an exclusive spelling bee competition was organized for the students of grade 1 to 8. This event was designed to promote literacy, vocabulary and spelling skills, and we were excited to see our participants showcase their knowledge to improve linguistic skills and spelling prowess. Students participated in a competitive spelling bee contest to showcase their vocabulary and spelling abilities. Next, the Student Council election was successfully held at Vidyaniketan Academy on June 7, 2024. The objective of appointing the Student Council is to provide a platform to the students to develop leadership qualities by organizing and carrying out school activities and service projects. In the preliminary round, candidates who had filed the nominations were asked to give the speeches that why they should be elected for the post they had stood for. This was followed by the students voting on electric EVM machine. A total 30 students filed a nomination for the post of head boy, head girl, house captains and sports captains. The result was announced on 8th June 2024. Election Commission members poured in hard efforts to make this election an organized event. On 13th June 2024, the Invest Teachers Ceremony of Vidyaniketan Academy Students' Council concluded with enthusiasm. All the elected student council members of the institute were honored with the recognition along with the sashes and congratulated by Honorable Chairman T. Sherkesar and the chief guest Dr. Baburao Upadhyaya. Next, on August 3rd, for students of grade 6 to 10, Vidyaniketan Academy hosted a house-wise freedom fighters quiz to assess students' knowledge of social studies. This engaging competition aimed to commemorate India's struggle for independence and honor the brave freedom fighters. Students showcased their understanding of India's rich history, showcasing enthusiasm and teamwork. The quiz encouraged critical thinking, research, and appreciation for our nation's heroes. Next, on August 3rd, Vidyaniketan Academy hosted Marathi storytelling competition for students of grade 1 to 5. This engaging event aimed to foster creativity, confidence, and love for Marathi literature. Students showcased their impressive storytelling skills, bringing alive captivating characters and tales. To foster the love for Hindi language, promote cultural awareness, and encourage language skills, Vidyaniketan Academy observed Raj Bhasha Saptah from September 14 to 19, commemorating Hindi Day. This week-long celebration aimed to promote Hindi language and culture among the students. Students showcased their proficiency in Hindi language through Hindi Ratna competition. Hindi Sulekhan competition allowed the young artists to demonstrate their handwriting artistic skills. Hindi Kavita Prastutikaran competition provided students the captivating stage to recite the poems. Students from grade 1 to 10 enthusiastically participated, displaying their linguistic and creative talents. And for the first time in Vidyaniketan, Miss Apurva Dokhe and Aniruddha Darekar was awarded as Hindi Ratna of Vidyaniketan. 15th October marks the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's 11th president, renowned scientist and the missile man of India. His birth anniversary was also celebrated as National Innovation Day and World Students Day. On this special occasion, Reading Inspiration Day was successfully organized in Vidyaniketan Academy. Moving on, Vidyaniketan Academy hosted a maths quiz competition catering to students of two distinct age groups, grades 1 to 4 and grade 5 to 10. This engaging event aimed to foster mathematical reasoning, problem-solving skills, and healthy competition. Digital quiz format with 3 thrilling rounds judged the speed, accuracy, and logic of students, where students demonstrated exceptional mathematical prowess, showcasing their knowledge and quick thinking. Moving on to co-curricular activities, on April 29th, Vidyaniketan Academy hosted a captivating solo dance competition, showcasing the artistic talents of our students. This event engaged and encouraged self-expression, confidence, and creativity, providing a platform for students to shine. Our young dancers mesmerized the audience with their energetic and graceful performances. Next, on June 21st, Vidyaniketan Academy observed International Yoga Day, emphasizing the importance of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Our students and staff gathered to practice yoga, fostering a sense of unity and harmony. Guided yoga sessions led by experienced instructor, the international yoga trainer Dr. Prerna Shinde ma'am. The students showcased yoga postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. On the auspicious occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, Vidyaniketan Academy organized Vidyavari, a unique event promoting values and cultural awareness, where students showcased creative replicas of Ashadi Vari. Students designed and displayed the banners highlighting cleanliness, reading and inspiration, studying and knowledge, helping each other, respecting books. The event fostered teamwork, creativity and social awareness, where students demonstrated their understanding of vital values. Vidyanik Academy observed July 2024 as a health month, emphasizing the importance of physical and mental well-being. This initiative aimed to educate students on healthy habits and balanced living. Expert speakers addressed students on vital health issues, promoting awareness and empowerment for girl child. Students received the personalized food chart outlining nutritious meal plans for each day of the week. Next, Vidyaniketan Academy commemorated India's 78th Independence Day with grandeur and patriotic fervor. Students showcased their creativity and cultural heritage through a spectacular celebration. Vidyapath, the replica of Vijaypath. Students recreated the iconic Vijaypath symbolizing India's victorious journey with a twist, Vidyapath, emphasizing the importance of education. Students presented vibrant array of dances, songs, skits highlighting India's rich cultural diversity. Next, Vidyaniketan Academy celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with creativity and fervor. Students participated in matka decoration competition showcasing innovative designs and artistic skills. Ganesh idol making competition demonstrated craftsmanship and devotion to encourage the creativity, self-expression and cultural appreciation. Vidyaniketan Academy commemorated National Sports Day by hosting a thrilling Taluka level basketball tournament. The event promoted sportsmanship, teamwork and physical fitness among the students. Teams from various schools participated in Taluka level basketball championship, showcasing their skills and competitive spirits. Next, to acknowledge and appreciate the tireless efforts of our esteemed teachers, fostering a sense of respect and gratitude, on September 5, Vidyaniketan Academy commemorated Teachers' Day with heartfelt gratitude. Class 10 students took the lead in organizing the memorable celebration, honoring their mentors. Next, to foster entrepreneurship, teamwork and practical life skills among the students, on September 28th, Vidyaniketan Academy hosted the Flavor Fair, a food festival showcasing students' culinary skills, entrepreneurial skills. This event was a resounding success, attracting approximately 1,000 parents to the school. Vidyaniketan Academy hosted a mesmerizing musical concert on October 1st. A spectacular event which showcased the musical prowess of our young performers. Students presented a harmonious orchestra demonstrating their musical skills with instruments. Students from grade 1 to 10 participated, presenting fabulous group songs that enthralled the audience. Students across all grades showcased their vocal and instrumental talent, fostering a sense of unity and teamwork. Moving on to achievements. 280 students appear for International Olympiad exams for year 2024, and we are eagerly waiting for the success of our students in Olympiad examinations results. 20 students from grade 6th and 36 students of grade 9th appeared for Homi Bhabha examination, out of which 32 students successfully passed the Homi Bhabha exam and qualified for the C certificates. Out of 130 students participated in Maths Wizard competition, 8 students from various classes qualified for the second level competition of Maths Wizard Challenge. Moving on to the educational excursions. To promote physical activity, teamwork and stress relief, Vidyaniketan Academy organized exciting trips for its students, fostering experiential learning and team bonding at Trampoline Park, Nasik. To explore India's rich cultural heritage and historical significance, archaeological expedition to Sambhajinagar and Ellora caves was organized. Students gained valuable insights into history, architecture, broadening their perspective. Moving on to sports achievement. Vidyaniketan Academy students excelled in various sports disciplines, demonstrating their athletic prowess and teamwork. Our under-17 volleyball boys team won the Taluka level volleyball championship and participated in district level competition. Under 14 girls team emerged victorious in Taluka level basketball competition and qualified for district level. This year, for the first time, 16 students of Vidyaniketan Academy successfully passed the first level belt examination of Taekwondo. One of our students, Master Shreyas Darekar, was selected for state level Taekwondo competition. Miss Rajnandini Priyanka Vinay Kamble, Advita Priyanka Vinay Kamble and Nishta Rajiv Bombay participated in Taluka level badminton championship, out of which Rajnandini Priyanka Vinay Kamble secured second place at district level badminton championship. Moving on to the special recognitions, 52 girls of Vidyaniketan successfully qualified the Prarambhik and Praveshika exam conducted by Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Vidyaniketan is the only school providing in-house training of Kathak, one of the most graceful act and art. Recently, Vidyaniketan Academy's Kathak disciples made a remarkable appearance on the national stage of ISKCON, Mumbai on December 21, 2024, performing in front of the distinguished guest, Mr. Nana Patekar. They showcased their exceptional talent and mastery of this classical dance form. Moving on to the most auspicious achievement of Vidyaniketan Academy. One of our students, Miss Japneet Kaur Thakral from grade 8th Nambi Narayanan, secured second place globally in world handwriting contest. Her artistic calligraphy handwriting will be featured now on Google's homepage for the World Handwriting Contest for a year, showcasing her exceptional talent and Vidyaniketan Academy's commitment to nurturing creative excellence. You can Google Japneet Kaur Thakral. You can see on Google the artistic handwriting of Miss Japneet Kaur Thakral, the proud daughter of Srirampur Vidyaniketan Academy. Moving on to empowering girls through Taekwondo. Vidyaniketan Academy takes pride in being pioneer in empowering girls with self-defense techniques through Taekwondo training. This unique initiative aims to foster confidence, self-reliance and physical well-being among the students. Moving on to our social initiatives. Vidyaniketan Academy continued its commitment to to social responsibility through various initiatives aiming at education for nation building. Students purchase Diwali essentials from underprivileged vendors and students of Anta Mahavidyalaya, promoting financial inclusions. Students donated essential groceries and daily essentials to Sai Vitthal Anath Ashram. Project 1 launched during Diwali vacations, encouraging students to help at least one needy person, where students participated enthusiastically, extending support to those who are in need. Vidyaniketan Academy students demonstrated compassion and empathy through visits to local anath ashrams. Many of the students chose to celebrate their birthdays at orphanage, sharing joy and laughter with the children of orphanage. Students bonded with the kids, understanding their struggles and challenges. They provided them the food for the day for celebrating their own birthdays, bringing smiles on the faces of young ones. Coming to the appreciation, I express my heartfelt appreciation to our dedicated teachers for their tireless efforts, to our cooperative parents for their unwavering support, the students, my dear students, for their enthusiasm and dedication. Together, we have created a nurturing ecosystem, empowering our students to become confident, compassionate, and responsible individuals of India. I am confident that Vidyaniketan Academy will continue to soar high to new heights, shaping the minds of future leaders. Thank you for your continued support.